Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing an unboxing and brief overview for the SSD for our new build Scarlet Wolf. There'll be a link to this part down below. We've used the WD Blue for quite a few builds now. It's a really good drive. It's pretty cheap. It's one of the cheapest 250 gig drives while still having high read-write speeds and relatively high IOP speeds. And I really can't say anything more about it. I've used it quite a few times now, and it's still a go-to drive when you need a good amount of SSD storage and not trying to spend a whole lot of money. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This box is a little bit beat up, but it's okay. It's an SSD. So, if you've never seen an SSD, they're really, really thin. So let me go get my phone. So this is a Galaxy S7. And this is an $80 250 gig SSD, and we're putting it up against a Galaxy S7. That is just about the same width, if not a little bit less. And it's about, my phone is now right side up. Drive in's about here, and that's it. It also weighs quite a bit less than my phone does. This weighs about the same as a stack of Post-its. So this is really light. There's no moving parts in an SSD. You don't have to worry, it can be thrown, you can mount it any way that you want. SSD means solid state drive. At the same time, it is quite a bit more expensive than a hard drive. This 250 gig SSD was about $80, and for the same $80 you can generally buy a 2 terabyte normal drive. But then again, the SSD is oftentimes 5 times faster, as is this one, than a hard drive. Yeah, that's about it for this. Hope y'all liked the video. If you did, drop a like. If you didn't like the video, you can drop a dislike. Let me know what you did not like about the video. That way I can work to make the next videos even better. Hopefully the next box won't be as torched. So, as always, we will see y'all in the next video, which will be about the hard drive for this computer.